Welcome to a world where speed, flavor, and convenience unite in one delicious dish, the Skillet Veggie Fajita. Imagine bell peppers, onions, mushrooms all sizzling together, nestled in a warm tortilla seasoned to perfection. In just 9 minutes, you can have a tasty, satisfying dinner ready for two. Busy weeknights need not be a hurdle to enjoying a scrumptious homemade meal. Quick meals offer convenience and time efficiency, allowing you to savor delicious food without spending hours in the kitchen. So bid farewell to time-consuming cooking and say hello to quick and delectable meals. Now, let's embark on the journey to creating your very own Skillet Veggie Fajitas. First, we'll slice up some fresh bell peppers, onions, and mushrooms. The key here is uniform slices to ensure even cooking. Next, we'll season our veggies with a tantalizing blend of cumin, chili powder, and garlic. Remember, it's your kitchen, so feel free to adjust the seasonings to your liking. Then, it's time to get sizzling. We'll heat some olive oil in a skillet and sauté our veggies until they're tender and aromatic. While those are cooking, we'll warm our tortillas, making them soft and pliable, ready to be filled with our colorful sautéed veggies. Finally, we'll assemble our fajitas, adding any additional toppings like salsa, guacamole, or sour cream. And there you have it. In 9 minutes flat, you've created a delicious, homemade Skillet Veggie Fajita meal for two. But the journey doesn't end here. It's just the beginning of your flavor exploration. Unleash your culinary creativity by experimenting with different ingredients and seasonings. Add a sprinkle of your favorite spice or a dash of a new one for an unexpected twist. Don't forget, these Skillet Veggie Fajitas aren't just about saving time, they're about savoring every bite. They're a testament to the magic that can happen in just 9 minutes. So what are you waiting for? Dive into the culinary adventure that is Skillet Veggie Fajitas and discover a world of flavor in just 9 minutes.